Hi, my name is Mahi Sharma. Hi, I'm McKenna Felton.
Hi, I'm Kristen Welcome.
Our project is the Preschool Pickup. We are from Quest Academy in 4th grade. Preschoolers often don't pick up their toys, and that can be dangerous in the classroom. Cozmo can help preschoolers clean up and put their blocks away. Here at Quest Academy, we have blocks and preschoolers love them. We work together in our computer science and artificial intelligence class. This is our group.
We used Cozmo robot for this project. We learned that you need to accurately add the blocks of code to have Cozmo robot pick up things.
How our project uses AI. Using object recognition, it can detect blocks. Using sensors, it can tell where the preschoolers left their blocks. This helps them with the safety in the classroom, which is very crucial. This project positively impacts society because it helps preschoolers be safe. The teachers wouldn't have to clean up after the preschoolers, and there would be less cleanup time and more learning. Yay!
Thank you for
listening. A robot will know what is a block and what is not a block by its sensors. As you see here, this is Cozmo holding a block with his crane.
And that's why Cozmo's the best at picking blocks. You can grab him, jump and snack, and No. That's not how we always sing. Yeah, that's how we sing. Put them up. And
Yay!
Great stairs! Congratulations, Cozmo.
Ta-da! Here is Cozmo in his beautiful stack.